How did I get from here to this? Very simple. At home I have this ideal space to place a shelf of plants and a place to meditate. I will love it to be in this style, wood and steel. I started designing mine in this cool design tool. We went to Home Depot to buy the things we needed and we reused wood that we had at home. Then we built it. The process was very quick and very easy to achieve. First, we're going to start by marking all of our lumber and then we're going to cut it very carefully with an electric or a hand saw. Remember for this part to protect your hands and eyes. Your safety is the most important thing. Once this part is completed and our profiles are well organized, we are going to move on to the next stage of the process, which consists of slightly nailing the nails that will later help us join the entire wooden structure. We recommend the use of 1.5-inch nails. And after you have the nails previously in place, we are going to assemble the structure of each shelf. This is made up of boards 3 inches wide by 24 inches long, and these are nailed at the ends of a 3-inch wide board by 9.5 inches long. With this, our first shelf is already taking shape. And with the last 24-inch profile correctly nailed in place, we are going to prepare the nails that will be used to join the back of this shelf. Once this process is finished, we are going to place a 3 by 22 inch long profile, and we are going to join it to the rest of the assembly. We nailed the piece on both sides, and we are also going to try to put some additional nails at the bottom to achieve greater rigidity. And with this, we have finished the first shelf of all. For the rest of the shelves, the process is basically the same. Prepare your nails and then place the pieces correctly in their place. You only need to complete the third shelf, so make sure you do it correctly. With the 3 shelves completed follows a very fun part of the process, which is the finish of these 3 shelves, maybe sanded and with varnish. It is important to have them dry and sanded, because then comes the assembly of the steel pieces, so we have to have all our pieces ready. For the steel structure, we are going to use 1/2-inch pieces. We start by assembling a flange to a 4-inch nipple and then a 90-degree elbow, to which we are going to assemble a 4-inch nipple and a T later. To this T we put a 2-inch nipple and then we place a flange. To this T we also add an 11-inch nipple and then we are going to place another T. We place another 2-inch nipple and a flange. We place another 11-inch nipple, another T, a 2-inch nipple, and to this nipple we are going to attach another flange. To this T we're going to attach a 4-inch nipple, and to this nipple we're going to attach a 90-degree elbow. To this elbow we're going to attach a 4-inch nipple, and finally we close with a flange. On the other side we put a 4-inch nipple, a 90-degree elbow, another 4-inch nipple, and to this 4-inch nipple we attach a flange. And ready! Just like that, the steel structure for our shelving is assembled. The next stage of the process is very simple. Just screw the flanges to the sides of our shelves. Be careful to center them correctly and use the appropriate screws. In this case we use 1/2-inch screws. And with this last screw in place, this is what our shelf looks like. It was very easy to build, right? When we finished, we installed it in its place. Once installed, we placed all the plants on the new shelf. Then we started to decorate the place. We place a rug to meditate on, some furniture and decorations so that the area looks incredible. This is the final result and we have only spent $50. Now it's time to enjoy the space. It looks incredible. This is a mission accomplished. If you want to make your own plant shelf, I have left you the design for free here.